Cuisinart DCG-12BC Grind Central Coffee Grinder. Brushed stainless steel styling with on-off control for simple operation. Built-in safety interlock prevents operation unless lid is securely closed. Bowl holds up to 90 grams of beans, enough for up to 18 cups of coffee. Heavy-duty motor and stainless steel blades. Dishwasher-safe, removable stainless steel bowl. Lid allows for extra coffee to be stored in grinding bowl. Cord storage and lid storage. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.